Dreaming is easy, but becoming requires decision. This message is for the ones ready to stop wishing and start rising. Number 1. The journey to change is paved with decisions, not dreams. Dreams inspire you, but decisions shape you. You can imagine the life you want 1,000 times, but nothing shifts until you decide to act. Real change begins the moment you stop waiting for the perfect moment and choose to move anyway. Every decision, no matter how small, builds the path toward transformation. Don't just dream about a better life. Decide to live it. Every step forward proves that you are no longer hoping for change. You are creating it. Number 2. You rise by rewiring. You can't grow by thinking the same way that broke you. Rising means reprogramming your mind, replacing fear with faith, doubt with discipline, and excuses with effort. Every time you challenge on an old pattern, you teach your brain to new path, new truth, that you are capable of more. It's not easy, but it is powerful. The moment you start thinking differently, your entire reality begins to shift. True elevation isn't about escaping your past. It's about rewiring it to serve your future.